Hey everybody, my name is TaoMan, and in this video I will show you a simple way how you can change your region in Steam. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be in Steam and go to right top corner and just go here to account details. When you're right here, you're gonna see the update store country. Click on it and you're gonna select the please select your country of residence. If you moved or something, you need to change that to something other, but right now you can only change the country to which you're currently located. Okay, Steam has detected your current location, Slovakia. If you're currently traveling, you'll need to return to your country of residence before you can set to your country. And now, but what you can do is this. You can come here to Google and just right here NordVPN, or just click on the link down below in the description and use a NordVPN and then change the country. You have also like 30-day money back guarantee, so click on the link in the description. If it doesn't work, you can just easily change it and get the money back. So this is what you can do, and this is what I recommend you to do, and maybe it's going to work for you. So these are like two ways. And if you're gonna use the VPN, what you can try to do is this, is that you are just going to write to Google. Just write to Google, what is my IP address? The IP address will be different, and then you can change the country of your store. So thank you everybody. If you have any questions, ask me down below in the comments. I'll be really happy to help you and provide you some feedback or guidance. And yeah, have a great day and goodbye.